Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. Which part of the computer is known as temporary memory? A. Hard disk. B. RAM. C. SSD. Your correct answer is B. RAM. What does VPN stand for? A. Virtual Private Network. B. Visual Private Network. C. Virtual Public Network. Your correct answer is A. Virtual Private Network. Which company created the Windows 11 OS? A. Apple. B. Google. C. Microsoft. Your correct answer is C. Microsoft. Which device converts digital signals to analog? A. Router. B. Modem. C. Switch. Your correct answer is B. Modem. Which shortcut is used to paste special? A. Ctrl plus V. B. Ctrl plus Alt plus V. C. Ctrl plus P. Your correct answer is B. Ctrl plus Alt plus V. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer? A. Byte. B. Bit. C. KB. Your correct answer is B. Bit. Which company developed the Safari browser? A. Apple. B. Microsoft. C. Google. Your correct answer is A. Apple. What does DNS stand for? A. Domain Name System. B. Digital Name Server. C. Data Network System. Your correct answer is A. Domain Name System. Which is an example of an input device? A. Speaker. B. Scanner. C. Monitor. Your correct answer is B. Scanner. What does AI chatbot use to understand humans? A. Hardware. B. Networking. C. Machine learning. Your correct answer is C. Machine learning. Which country invented the first computer? A. Germany. B. USA. C. UK. Your correct answer is C. UK. Which is the largest file size unit? A. Megabytes. B. Gigabytes. C. Terabytes. Your correct answer is C. Terabytes. What does ISP stand for? A. Internet Service Provider. B. Internal Service Program. C. Internet System Protocol. Your correct answer is A. Internet Service Provider. Which device is used for video recording? A. Webcam. B. Keyboard. C. CPU. Your correct answer is A. Webcam. What is phishing in cybersecurity? A. Phishing online. B. Hacking using fake emails. C. Speed test. Your correct answer is B. Hacking using fake emails. Which is an example of an operating system? A. Linux. B. Google. C. Intel. Your correct answer is A. Linux. Which country is the headquarters of Apple? A. USA. B. China. C. Japan. Your correct answer is A. USA. What is the full form of URL? A. Universal Resource Locator. B. Uniform Resource Locator. C. Unique Resource Link. Your correct answer is B. Uniform Resource Locator. Which device connects multiple computers in a network? A. Switch. B. Printer. C. Mouse. Your correct answer is A. Switch. What is used to protect a computer from viruses? A. Firewall. B. Speaker. C. Keyboard. Your correct answer is A. Firewall. Well done. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.